Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to add a typewriter sound effect to your text using CapCut. First, go to the Text tab and add a default text. Now, change the default font. I'm using Special Elite RG for this tutorial. Next, add your text. After that, go to the animation section and choose the typewriter animation. Increase the duration of the animation. I've set it to 3 seconds. Now head over to the Audio tab. Select Sound Effects. Then search for Typewriter. You'll find many typewriter sound effects here. I'm going to use typewriter keystroke sound 2. Once you find your desired sound effect, add it to the timeline. Now, adjust the duration of the audio so it matches the text animation. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.